Good day, wonderful developers. My name is Bright. In this short tutorial, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to install VS Code on your Windows operating system. It doesn't matter the operating system you are using, either Mac or whatever you are using, you can still follow along. To begin with, open up your web browser and type VS Code. Click on the first link. It will now take you to code.visualstudio.com. Click on download. You can use any IDE of your choice. We have Sublime, we have Notepad++. I have used all these, but I'm in love with VS Code because of its numerous extensions that makes your work easy as a developer. Click on the operating system of your choice. As I'm using Windows, I will click on Windows. It will say, thanks for downloading VS Code. Now, after downloading your VS Code, you are going to save it. And for me, as you can see, I already have one. So I'm not going to continue downloading this. I'm going to cancel it, but you click on save. Okay, once you have saved your file and your file is done downloading, open the particular location where you saved the file. Let me come to download. As you can see, my file is on download. On the file you just downloaded, double click on it. Please follow me step by step. Now, select I accept the agreement. This is license agreement. Click on next. In this particular place, please pay a very good attention. Select all the instruction given. Create a desktop icon, add with code, add open with code, regular code as an editor. So after selecting all, but the most important one is the last part, add to part. So select it and then you click on next. In this place, hit on install. Your installation process will begin. As for me, I have already installed this, so I'm not going to proceed on installing it. But you are going to allow the installation process to just complete. And that is the easiest way to install your VS Code. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel and enjoy my upcoming tutorial on web development.